This is a quick video on the fuel level gauge. If you're getting the wrong reading, it might be the gauge itself. I just replaced this gauge. Before every time I filled it up, every time I put fuel all the way up on the tanks, the gauge would only go to like three quarters. So I had replaced the sending unit. Is that one right there? I replaced that one, and I was getting the same fault, so that was not the issue. So it could be one of those two, the sending unit or the gauge. So in case you replace the sending unit and you're still having that issue, try replacing the gauge. It's pretty easy to replace. You have to remove this bolts, this 4 bolts right here, and this is the way it comes in the back. So the back has this like this clip, and this is like this puts tension on the clip so it won't come off. So basically you have this groove that you have to lock it into. This right here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but so it just goes like that. Align it to the lock and twist it. So you gotta put some pressure in and just turn it, and it should lock it should lock. And that was the issue that I had. So try replacing that. If in case you replace the sending unit, the floater, and the tanks, try that one. So thanks for watching.